Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a castle step by step. Let's start drawing, children. Please look at how I draw a castle and follow along. Today, I'm drawing a castle just like in a fairy tale. Do you love fairy tales? Who's your favorite prince or princess? I draw a window, then I draw the roof and a little flag on top, flap flap. If you had your own castle, what color would your flag be? This part is drawn in the same way, but this window is higher. Then I draw like this ... Now I draw a big main door just like a royal entrance. Let's draw another window right here. Our magical castle is slowly appearing. Can you see it coming to life? Would you want to live in a castle? I think it might be fun ... But cleaning such a big place would be hard. What do you think? Would you like to live in a castle or a cozy little house? Let's add some bricks here and they're like this. That makes the castle look older and even more magical. We're almost done drawing the castle. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing stand out better. Now let's start coloring. First, I use red to color the flags. Then I use an orange marker to color this part. For the rooftops, bright and sunny. I use brown for the windows. Brown and dark yellow for the main door. Let's color the bricks dark yellow too. And finally, I use plum to color the castle walls. It looks dreamy. Wow, doesn't it look like a castle from a storybook? Great job, little artists! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.